Hey guys, I've missed you. Meet Cooper, our new puppy. This past Monday, we got all 3 dogs and the kids, and we got in the truck early in the morning and hooked up Willadeen and went down to Fiesta Island in the Bay of San Diego. We spent the entire day enjoying the water, and it was nice and slow on a Monday. The dogs played all day and really enjoyed themselves. I packed up all the food to make breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We got the awning on. It looks so good. The kids were able to relax and play. I could cook all day. We had a bathroom to use. And so it was just like this complete luxury to be able to have our Airstream down by the water. We got some comments from some people who walked by, which was really nice when people appreciate your hard work. One of the best parts is that my best friend came down with her girls, and then later in the day, Scott's sister came down with her girls and her puppies, and we just got to enjoy people that we love and the beautiful city that we live in. We travel quite a bit, and we were able to kind of think about the beauty that we have right here in San Diego and think, why do we not do this more often? So here are our puppies playing. This is Cooper, our puppy, and his actually litter mate. This is Baloo, the black one. And so Scott's sister got Baloo, and then shortly after we ended up getting Cooper. We brought the floaties out and just enjoyed laying in the water, and that is really life for me. We had the pleasure of watching people windsurfing, and I was just seriously impressed with the height that these guys can get. I mean, this guy was doing so, he was up in the air a lot. This is the view from my floaty, and this is just the way that the wind was spinning me, and I think the water looks beautiful. I had my best day of the summer so far. We finished the day off with burgers for dinner, and the beauty of it is we were able to pack everything up and head home, take showers, and sleep in our own beds. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the Bay if you're in San Diego this summer. I love you all, and I'll see you soon.